The updated 4A0-107 practice test of QuestionsTube is of exceptionally good quality, enabling you to enhance your skills and understanding concerning the Nokia Quality of Service exam. The Nokia 4A0-107 practice test is very rated and endorsed by the professional team of QuestionsTube, making it effortless for you personally to practice your Nokia 4A0-107 exam questions and answers. It is the ultimate source of the 4A0-107 Nokia Quality of Service exam preparation. So obtain the Nokia 4A0-107 practice test presented by QuestionsTube at a minimal cost and effortlessly pass your Nokia Certified Service Routing Architect (SRA) certification exam. What is the 4A0-107 Nokia Quality of Service exam? You may enhance your exam skills with the updated 4A0-107 practice test. However, when you decide to take the Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 exam, you must know the details first. How to earn the Nokia Certified Service Routing Architect (SRA) certification. The 4A0-107 Nokia Quality of Service exam is related to the Nokia Certified Service Routing Architect (SRA) certification. The Nokia SRA is the highest level certification in the SRC program. It is designed for engineers who have the ambition to become an expert in all aspects of designing, building, and supporting service router networks and services. Earning the Nokia SRA certification requires you to pass 8 written exams, 7 mandatory plus 1 elective, and 1 practical lab exam. Mandatory exams. 1. Nokia ISA's Routing Protocol 4A0-112 or Nokia OSPF Routing Protocol 4A0-113. 2. Nokia Border Gateway Protocol for Internet Routing 4A0-102. 3. Nokia Multi-Protocol Label Switching 4A0-103. 4. Nokia Services Architecture 4A0-104. 5. Nokia Virtual Private LAN Services 4A0-105. 6. Nokia Virtual Private Routed Networks 4A0-106. 7. Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107. You also can choose to pass the SRA Composite Exam 4A0C02 instead of the following 4 written exams: 4A0-102, 4A0-105, 4A0-106, and 4A0-107. Elective exams. 1. Nokia Multicast Protocols 4A0-108. 2. Nokia Segment Routing 4A0-116. 3. Nokia Ethernet Virtual Private Network Services 4A0-115. Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 exam details. The Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 exam is a mandatory exam, which contains 60 questions. It is available in English and lasts 90 minutes. It plays a crucial role in ensuring that telecommunications experts possess the necessary skills and knowledge to deliver high-quality services. By understanding the 4A0-107 exam's importance, preparing diligently, and leveraging available resources, you can successfully navigate the challenges and emerge certified, reaping the benefits of enhanced skills and industry recognition. Updated Nokia 4A0-107 practice test for leading exam score. Encounter the Nokia 4A0-107 practice test and pass the 4A0-107 Nokia Quality of Service exam with the highest scores effortlessly. Elevate your capabilities and knowledge with all the outstanding Nokia 4A0-107 practice exam questions. You can get many benefits by getting the updated 4A0-107 practice test that is so related to real 4A0-107 exam questions. Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 Study Guide is ideally suited for those candidates who want to attain knowledge of Nokia certificates. You can prepare the 4A0-107 exam flawlessly with recent 4A0-107 exam questions. We are creating opportunities for professionals searching for success in Nokia certificates. Read free 4A0-107 questions demo to check the latest Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 practice questions. If you are browsing for the latest Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 exam questions, then QuestionsTube has the latest 4A0-107 practice test with approved questions and answers. At QuestionsTube, you can get the latest Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 practice questions that help you pass the Nokia Quality of Service 4A0-107 exam with a high scoring average on the very first attempt. Here, we have the free 4A0-107 questions demo for reading online. 1. Which of the following are examples of metrics for COS? A. Signal degradation, attenuation, line loss. B. Latency, FIFO, WRED. C. Delay, jitter, packet loss. DSNR, queue depth, latency. E. Attenuation, dispersion, latency. Answer: C. 2. Which of the following statements regarding DSCP bits are true? Choose 3. A. The three most significant first bits define 8 forwarding classes. B. The three least significant last bits of the DSCP specify the drop probability. C. The full 8 bits of the TOS field are used for DSCP. D. To convert DSCP to IP precedence, the three most significant first bits are matched. E. DSCP provides for 8 drop probabilities. Answer: A, B, D. 3. Which of the following are characteristics of DSCP? Choose 2. ADSCP is part of the Layer 3 header. BDSCP is a 6-bit field. CDSCP specifies 8 different priorities. DDSCP specifies 4 precedence levels. DSCP is part of the Layer 2 header. FDSCP specifies 128 different per-hop behaviors. Answer: A, B. 4. How many bits does DSCP use to provide COS marking options? A8, B16, C6, D4, E3. Answer: C. 5. Which of the following are major components of COS functionality on the Nokia 7750 SR? Choose 3. A. Microflow reservations using RSVP. BDSCP to express translation. C. Traffic classification. D. Automatic profiling and policy configuration. E. Buffer memory management. F. Traffic scheduling. Answer. C, E, F. 6. Which of the following best describes a SAP when regarding COS? A. A point in the network where express bits can be mapped to one of 8 predefined FCs, each one with its own queue. B. A logical point in a service tunnel where all of customer traffic is aggregated. C. A point at which the initial classification of customer traffic occurs. D. A point in the network where COS parameters are discarded in favor of lower-level hardware queuing functions, such as LLI, link layer interleave. E. A point in the network where traffic flows from multiple different services are queued together, based on forwarding class. Answer. C. 7. What is the maximum number of SAP ingress policies that can be applied on a SAP? A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F8. Answer. A. 8. Which of the following are possible criteria for classifying packets at the network port ingress on the Nokia 7750 SR? Choose 3. A. The express bits in the MPLS header. B. The packet's source and destination IP addresses. C. The packet's DSCP bits. D. The .1p bits in the frame header. E. The ID of an SDP that is transporting the packet. Answer. A, C, D. 9. What is the maximum number of forwarding subclasses a forwarding class can have? A3, B64, C72, D16. E. 56. Answer. E. 10. Which of the following statements best describes an MBS parameter? A. It specifies the maximum rate at which a queue can be serviced. B. It specifies the maximum depth of a queue beyond which packets will be dropped. C. It specifies the portion of a queue that is taken from the reserved buffer pool. D. It specifies the threshold beyond which only in-profile packets will be queued. E. It specifies the peak bandwidth that can be attained by the incoming traffic. Answer. B.